guys, welcome back to my channel. So I finally got my machine replacement. As many of you guys I think know, my Vertuo Next machine broke, and because everything was out of stock, I decided to go with a different machine. They gave me a couple choices that I could choose from, and I ended up going with the Vertuo Plus, which is right here. So I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. I'm gonna unbox it, set it up, and if there's an initial cleaning like there was with the Vertuo Next, I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna show you guys a simple iced latte style recipe that you could do with this machine or any like Vertuo machine, as long as you have certain pods. But yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna put this on the floor. I think it's a better angle. So the first thing that I see is a manual. And this is actually a nicer manual versus like the Vertuo Next. Manual, just in my opinion, it has a lot more, I don't know, quality. It doesn't really matter, I guess, but this is the manual. I'm just gonna check really quickly to see if there's an initial cleanup that we're supposed to do, because there was an initial cleanup that we had to do with the Vertuo Next. So there is an initial cleanup that we're supposed to do on page 14. So I'm gonna do that as soon as I set it up on my counter. You have your machine, you have the drip tray, and then you have your manual. They always send out a $10 coupon for coffees if you are a first-time user. I tried using it, but since I've already ordered coffees, they didn't allow me to use it. But if it's your first time, I'll probably put the code here, and then whoever takes advantage of it will be the lucky one. It has a water tank that you can actually move. And then I thought it was only with the Aeroshino bundle that you got these, but apparently it doesn't matter. So if you buy a coffee machine, most likely it's gonna come with this thing. And this is your like coffee pot sampler. It's actually pretty neat. You get to see a little bit of what they have to offer within the Vertuo line. It's 12 pods that you get, and it seems like it's the same for every one because it is. Oh geez, something always happens. But they're pretty much all the same ones that I got from the Vertuo Next. So you get 12 pods, and then you get to see like which one you might like. And then you get a little bit of info on all the pods in their line, but you don't get them all, you just get 12. I'm gonna set up my machine right over here. And then once it's set up on the counter, then I'm gonna do the initial cleaning so that we can do a iced latte. I'm gonna have to say goodbye to this one. This is the Vertuo Next, but they're all out of stock, and for some reason mine broke, and I just didn't want to wait for another one. The only difference between this one and the other one when it comes to brewing is the the cup sizes. This one has 6 cup sizes, the other one has 5 cup sizes. Let me put it down before I break it even more. The 6th cup size is a carafe size or carafe size. I don't know how you pronounce that. Which I don't really need. So I figured I'm just gonna do this. And I've always wanted a white machine. It just ended up working out that it was white, and it's still gonna brew the pods that I like. So I'm not really gonna miss the Vertuo Next. I'm not. Register this machine. So this is a serial number. Each machine I think has like a 1-year warranty, so make sure you register. The lighting is a little different. I'm filming at 3:43, and usually I film in the morning, so I think the sun has a lot to do with the lighting. So hopefully that's not too annoying. But yeah, register your machine so that in case like my broke, they're able to help you a little bit better. Let's rinse this out with warm soapy water. opens and closes by itself. The other one, the Vertuo Next, you're supposed to like clasp it down and it's super hard. This one, I like it so far. Alright, so I'm doing the initial cleanup right now. It says it's going to take up to 5 minutes, so I'm going to let that work its magic. It's going to run that water through the machine and clean everything inside. So I'll come back to you guys in about 5 minutes. Alright, I just spent the last 15 minutes trying to put my kid down. He's finally down, so if I'm whispering or I sound a little quieter, it's because he's literally right here in this bedroom. But the initial cleaning is all done. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do a simple iced latte with the Vertuo line machines. Alright guys, so this is a simple iced caramel latte. I didn't put any syrup on this one. I just do the sauce. I'm pretty generous with the sauce because I don't do syrup. So let's just give it a taste. Oh my god. So good. Before you guys leave, let me know if you guys are considering buying this machine or if you're here just to do a little comparison between this one and the Vertuo Next. Like I said, I honestly feel like I like this one a lot better and it tastes the same. I've done this latte before and you know what I noticed? It's a lot quieter than the Vertuo Next. So I don't know if this unboxing helps you guys in deciding whether you guys like this machine or not. Let me know what you guys decide in the comment section below. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.